Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sirilla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today in our hair fall series, we have come to the third topic, which is nothing but Telogen Effluvium. So why are we discussing about Telogen Effluvium? First thing is that this Telogen Effluvium is the most common type of cases that we encounter in the clinical practice. Second thing, it can affect both genders, that it can affect males as well as females. And third, it can affect any person at any given age, like it can affect teenagers, and also if it can affect people who are in their adult age. And most importantly, why are we discussing about Telogen effluvium is that it is a reversible condition. So what should we do to reverse this Telogen effluvium? We can grow back our hair after being affected by Telogen effluvium. So what should you do to grow back your hair, and what are the causes of it that are making their hair fall? Let us dive into the topic to know more about this Telogen effluvium. What is Telogen effluvium? As you can see here, as you can see in the picture itself, it is temporary hair loss. So T stands for Telogen effluvium. Here you have to remember the T, which is temporary hair loss condition characterized by increased shedding, that is too much of hair shedding, and often due to a certain kind of a stress. Remember, the stress can be physical form of a stress or emotional kind of stress. At any particular given event in the life, any sort of stressful event, and after 2 to 3 months, you're starting with a lot of hair fall or lot of hair shedding, then this condition is called as Telogen effluvium. Now coming into the consultation part, if you're suffering from hair fall issues and you would like to get in touch with us, we have two types of consultations here at Fidicus Homeopathy. One is the offline consultation or the in-person consultation. If you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus Homeopathy, you can come and consult us in person. And if you're staying far away from us, you can consult us through audio or video online consultation. Okay, and after the online consultation is over, or after the consultation is over, we will be asking you for the investigations which are needed. If you have already got it done, you can share it with us. And after this part, especially to the online clients, we will be sending you our medications to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our good medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us, WhatsApp, ping or messages on this number which is displayed here. And also, if you would like to know more about us, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're watching this video and you're suffering from hair fall or hair fall issues, and you are looking for cure, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Here at Fidicus, we stand for highest chance of health, and we follow 3 principles. What are that? First one, we are already having good success in hair fall cases. Second thing is our transparent treatment here at Fidicus. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be talking to you about your case and also about your prognosis and the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy. What is personal care given? If you're having any sort of queries, if you're having any sort of doubts, if you're having any sort of fears regarding this hair fall, all of this, you will be educated on that, and you will be given proper, education on whatever issue you're suffering from. So if you're wanting to choose cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.